how do you extend the life of your vehicle? Well, repairs are repairs. You can avoid potholes if you don't live in Illinois, I guess. But you're going to really have a hard time avoiding repairs. They're going to happen just based on regular wear and tear. Maintenance is the key to extending life. So tune-ups, spark plugs at the right time, and then fluid exchanges. So we're under a four-wheel drive truck. So what do you use it for? Do you tow? Do you pull a trailer, anything like that? If you do, your differentials, right? We've got a rear differential here, got the front differential up there. So, are you changing those fluids? Because if you're making that differential work, the driveline, the transmission transfer case differentials, and you're not changing those fluids, you're going to end up with costly repairs. The differentials, 3, 4, 5 grand to replace, transmissions up from there. So make sure you're taking care of the routine maintenance on them, changing the air filter. The engine air filter allows it to breathe. So if it can't breathe, you're going to make that engine work harder, and that's what you don't want to do. So make sure you're following your routine maintenance, and based on your driving conditions, change those fluids out.